give us freedom. The freedom is in our hands. The youth of South Africa is unemployed. More than 50% of the youth are unemployed. Many of those have given up looking for jobs. They are no longer interested because they say, even if you go and look for a job, you will never get a job. We're talking here of 10.6 million young people who do nothing when they wake up in the morning. When you turn this side and ask GNU, what is the plan to empower these 10.6 million young people? They've got no plan. Which means we are going to become more and more graduates who go straight into the factory of unemployment. Only the EFF can stop that unemployment. How do you stop the unemployment? We need to nationalize the mines. We need to process every product that comes underground here in South Africa. Beneficiation must happen in South Africa. When they dig chrome and they put it behind the truck and they take it to KZN, and from KZN they take it to outside South Africa, those are your jobs behind the truck. That's why chrome must be produced here and go next door. That next door will be a factory where they process chrome, and then it goes outside South Africa as a finished product. Those who dig chrome, they will get jobs. Those who process it after digging, they will get jobs. That's how you create jobs. That's how you industrialize. You can never have industries if you don't beneficiate the minerals from this country in this country. Industry is what is going to create jobs in the whole of South Africa. But they will never do that.